This is the kit, the Tinker Kit for Young Inventors. So when you open it, you have this book, Tinker with Electronics. This is basic circuits, the first one. So it gives about 22 circuits, the full details, the components, how to identify the pins, now how to make sensors. That chapter is also given, the few sensors you're supposed to make. Then the circuits are there, how to assemble it on a breadboard. All these details are given in this book. Towards the end of the chapter, you have the components used in the kit. The entire list of the components is given in this, minus the battery. The battery is not listed in this. This you'll have to buy it separately. Also, the color code of resistors used in this kit is also mentioned. So you open it and this is the breadboard, right? Then you have one speaker. Originally, the speaker is without this wire. This wire I soldered because that's for the ease of connecting on the breadboard. This is the connecting wires. Ample number of wires is given of different sizes. This is for interconnecting the pins on the breadboard. These are the components in separate envelopes. There are resistors, capacitors, the ICs, there are the presets, the LDR, the condenser mic, other items, the transistors. All these are there in this kit. Now let's see what's there in each of these envelopes. There are resistors. I just put in 3 envelopes. The values is written outside: 39 ohm, 100 ohm, 220 ohm, 330 ohm, etc. is in this box. So if you take it out, these are the resistors. Right. This is slightly higher values: 150k, 220k, okay, 1 mega ohm, 2 mega ohm. So these all are there in this. This is another pack of resistors, 4.7k up to 100k ohm. These are the entire resistors that we use in this. These are the capacitors, non-polarized. Okay, so we are using three types of capacitors. It's coded 102, 103 and 104. So you can interchange the terminals, doesn't matter. And whereas these are the polarized capacitors. The value is written here, right? See, 470 microfarad, and a negative terminal is marked with a negative sign. So this is the negative terminal. So all these capacitors are polarized, and this is the unpolarized capacitors. These are the capacitors what we use in this. These are the transistors what we use, and the diodes. There are 3 types of transistors: BC547, 557 and 558. 547 is an NPN transistor. The value is written here, that which transistor that's written here. These are the 2 diodes. This IN4000 SAN. Now we have these are the presets. The presets is it's a potentiometer, or you can say it's a variable resistor. You can just adjust the resistance as per the requirement. Something like you want to adjust the brightness or something like that. 4 types of variable resistance used in this. So it's given again as a code 1, 0, 2, 3 and 4, and there is something, one is 47k, rather 50k. This is the few sensors what we use in the circuit. This is the LDR, this is the thermistor, and this is the IR transceiver pair. This is the receiver, and this is the IR transmitter. These are some more items: the condenser mic, buzzer, switches, etc. This is the condenser mic. Like when you buy it from the shop, this is the terminals are not connected. This I soldered. This is again the positive and negative terminals. Positive is red and the negative is marked black. These are the 2 switches. Just push to one. There are 3 LEDs given in 3 colors that you will be using in the circuit. This is a buzzer, 9-volt buzzer, and again this has got the positive and negative terminals. The positive is marked here. This is the battery clamp. When you use a 9-volt battery, so you can't connect it to these terminals, so you have to just use this adapter and connect it to the breadboard. This positive becomes the positive terminal. These are the ICs what we use in the circuit. Only two types of ICs, IC NE555, 2 numbers, and IC741. It's marked here which IC is NE555, and you can see.